What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video I'm filming for 2007. This is the first video that I'll be filming in 2018. I hope you guys had a very happy new year, and so of course it has been going pretty good for me because as you guys can see, Asta and I are engaged. I'm so excited. My family surprised me really well. It's actually going to be posted on Asta and I vlogging channel, well, mostly my vlogging channel, and you guys will see exactly how it played out. I'll have the link below as well, so that way it'll be a little bit easier for you guys who haven't subscribed or just didn't know Asta and I had a channel together. And I hope you guys will have an awesome year just as I will, and I hope everything that you guys have been dreaming about, hoping about, you just put your mind to it, keep praying, stay steadfast, and you guys will reach that goal this year in 2018. So as you guys can see, I cut off a lot of my hair. I cut off 3 to 4 inches of it. I was extremely tired of my ends. It was just so frizzy, so dry, so like it had so many single-stranded knots and split ends. I was like, you know what, well, let me just cut it off. So now that I did, it's hard for me to pull my hair back in one, like fully back, or even like up in the air, like a high one like I normally do. I feel like I'm going backwards. I was like, you know what? Since I never showed you guys a video when I was struggling trying to put my hair back in one, I'm going to show you it now that I've cut off the majority of, well, 4 inches of it. It's kind of tough to do that now, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my sleek ponytail. You will need a brush. The brush that I have is pretty thick and pretty tough bristles, because when you have natural hair, you don't want the brushes too hard and you don't want the brushes too soft because it won't do anything to your hair. And then the extremely hard brushes, it will just pull all your edges out and you don't need all that. Also, if your hair is really dry like mine, you'll need some water just to spritz your hair. You could use aloe vera juice or just water alone. I mix both of them in here so that way it gives like a little balance to holding the moisture. Of course, you guys need to grab your favorite gel. My gel is the Eco Styler gel. I know some of you guys don't like it, but whichever gel works for you, definitely grab it because you need as much gel to slick down these edges as much as possible. Use any type of paste to slick down your edges. This one is just a Lotta Body. Smells so good. It's a Lotta Body paste. This is one of my favorite ones. I just picked it up after the 50 that I have over there. You don't really need this one to be exact, but just pick up any paste that you like so that way you can get your edges and make sure that it's sleek and nice. And once you have all of that lined up, grab a silk scarf just to tie down your hair towards the end. You may not think that you need it, but you do need it just to make sure those little strands that tend to stick up slicks down and stays down. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and thank you guys so much for watching.
And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you want to say.